In this video, we listed the 5 best Haylou smartwatch on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Haylou LS02 Pro Smartwatch. The Haylou smartwatch is a stylish and functional wearable device designed for tracking various health metrics and activities. With a bandwidth of 22 mm and weighing 51.4 g, this smartwatch features a 1.85-inch TFT touchscreen with a resolution of 240*284. It is equipped with Bluetooth-compatible version 5.0 for seamless connectivity with your devices. The smartwatch offers a range of health monitoring features, including heart rate monitor, blood oxygen monitor, sleep monitor, and stress monitor. It also tracks your steps and overall activity levels, making it a comprehensive fitness companion. The Haylou smartwatch is waterproof with a life waterproof grade and offers multiple dials for customization. Compatible with both Android and iOS systems, this smartwatch supports various functions such as passometer, fitness tracking, message and call reminders, speed measurement, and more. With the Haylou Fun app available for download, users can easily sync and analyze their data for a holistic view of their health and fitness goals. This smartwatch from Haylou is a versatile and reliable choice for adults looking to monitor their health and stay active. Number 2. Haylou S8 Smartwatch. The Haylou Watch S8 is a stylish and feature-rich smartwatch designed to enhance your health and fitness tracking experience. With a bandwidth of 22 mm and a weight of 58.5 g, including the wristband, this smartwatch boasts a vibrant 1.96-inch AMOLED touchscreen with a resolution of 410*502 pixels. It is equipped with Bluetooth-compatible version 5.3 for seamless connectivity with your devices. The watch offers comprehensive health monitoring features, including heart rate monitor, blood oxygen monitor, sleep monitor, and stress monitor. It also tracks your steps, distance, calories, and overall activity levels, making it a versatile fitness companion. The Haylou Watch S8 is waterproof with a life waterproof grade, and its band is detachable for customization. Compatible with both Android and iOS systems, this smartwatch supports an array of functions such as passometer, fitness tracking, sleep tracking, mood tracking, message and call reminders, remote control, and more. With the Haylou Watch app available for download, users can easily access and analyze their health data. This smartwatch from Haylou, originating from mainland China, is a reliable and stylish choice for adults looking to stay active and monitor their well-being effectively. Number 3. Haylou GST Smartwatch. The Haylou LS09B smartwatch is a sleek and functional wearable device designed to enhance your health and fitness tracking experience. With a detachable silica gel band and a lightweight design weighing 50 g, this smartwatch features a 1.69-inch TFT display with a resolution of 240*280 pixels. It is equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless connectivity with your devices. The watch offers essential health monitoring features, including a heart rate monitor and sleep monitor, along with tracking your steps, distance, calories, and overall activity levels. The Haylou LS09B is waterproof with a life waterproof grade, making it suitable for everyday wear. Compatible with Android Wear, Android OS, and iOS systems, this smartwatch supports functions such as passometer, fitness tracking, sleep tracking, message and call reminders, push messages, and calendar alerts. With multiple dials available for customization, users can personalize their watch interface to suit their style. The Haylou LS09B, originating from mainland China and certified with CE, is a reliable companion for adults looking to stay active and monitor their well-being effectively. Number 4. Haylou Solar Smartwatch. The Haylou Solar Lite smartwatch is a versatile and stylish wearable device packed with features to enhance your health and fitness tracking experience. With a 1.38 color large display and over 100 watch faces for customization, this smartwatch offers a visually appealing and personalized experience. It includes comprehensive health functions such as heart rate monitor, SpO2 monitoring, sleep tracking, stress monitoring, and female physical health tracking. The watch supports 100 workout modes, ensuring efficient and unrestricted workouts for users. With IP68 waterproof and dustproof rating, you can wear it during various activities without worry. The watch also features scientific sleep monitoring, blood oxygen testing, 24-hour heart rate monitoring, stress detection, breathing training, and menstrual cycle management, providing a holistic approach to well-being. With a 20-day battery life, incoming call reminders, and compatibility with the Haylou Fun app, this smartwatch is a reliable companion for adults seeking a comprehensive health and fitness tracking solution. The Haylou Solar Lite smartwatch is a product of Haylou, originating from mainland China, and offers support for wholesale and dropshipping. Number 5. Haylou RS4 Smartwatch. The Haylou smartwatch offers a comprehensive set of features for health and fitness tracking enthusiasts. With a sleek and fashionable design, this smartwatch boasts a 1.93-inch touchscreen LCD display with a resolution of 320*380, providing a vibrant and clear interface for users. It includes a range of health metrics such as heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, sleep tracking, blood pressure monitoring, and stress monitoring, ensuring users have a holistic view of their well-being. The watch tracks various activities including steps, distance, calories, and general activity levels, supporting 127 workout modes for versatile exercise tracking. With a waterproof rating of IP68, users can wear the watch during daily activities without worry. The Haylou smartwatch is equipped with a magnetic strap, offering comfort and style, with a standby time of 30 days and basic battery life of 15 days. It supports multiple languages, including English, Russian, Spanish, Polish, Portuguese, Italian, French, Korean, and Japanese, catering to a global audience. The watch is compatible with Android Wear and iOS systems, ensuring broad compatibility with smartphones. With features like message reminders, call alerts, push notifications, alarm clocks, and calculators, the Haylou smartwatch serves as a versatile companion for adults seeking a sophisticated health and fitness tracking solution.